本日もようこそいらっしゃいました。本日ありました小さな出来事を簡単な英語で短く紹介したいと思います。Hi, welcome to Cafe Talk Journal. Here's a small moment from today. This morning, a strong wind was blowing at the gas station. I didn't want my hat to fly away, so I put it inside the car first, and then I filled up the tank. Later, my wife and I drove about 30 minutes to see our grandchild. They got a toy drum as a Christmas present from their parents, and they looked so excited. He started tapping the drum and proudly showed us what he could do. From what we saw and from what we heard, it seems like everything is going well. They looked safe, peaceful, and happy. Seeing that made me feel quietly grateful. Thanks for listening. See you in the next little note. Thank you very much.